Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. And how are you today, Wahyu? I hope you are doing well because today we have something important to do. Oh yeah, and before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ayudya AStiti. You can call me Miss Cahaya. And today we are going to learn about linear equation system. So, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever bought several items at a store and tried to figure out the price of each item using only the total cost, Wahyu?
Hmm. Yes, miss. Sometimes I know the total price, but I don't know the individual price.
Exactly, Wahyu. So those problems like that can be solved using a linear equation system. And today we will learn about what a linear equation system is, how to solve it, and how it is used in real life. And let's get started. So the first is understanding linear equation system. So first, what is a linear equation? So a linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. So for example, x plus y equals to 10. And this is a linear equation because both variables have exponents 1. And now, a linear equation system is a set of two or more linear equations that are solved together. For example, you can see this on the screen. Uh, X plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. So these two equations from a system of linear equation.
Why do we solve them together?
So it is because we want to find the value of x and y that satisfy both equations at the same times. Did you understand it, Wahyu?
Yes, miss, I understand.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have the elimination method. So, in a linear equation system, there are two methods, and the first method is the elimination method. So, let's solve a system of equation. So, the equation is x plus y equals 10 and minus y is equal to 2. So this on the screen is wrong, sorry. The correct one is x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. So we use the elimination method and add both equation. So it's become x plus y plus x minus y equals to 10 plus 2. And after that, we get 2 times x equals to 12, and the value of x is equals to 6. And now we substitute the value of x back into the first equation to solve for y. And it becomes 6 plus y equals 10, and the value of y is 4. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4.
Hmm. So the solution is the pair of values that satisfies both equation.
Exactly, Wahyu. You're totally correct. Next, we have the second method, which is the substitution method. So, consider equation of x plus y equals x and x minus y equals 4. From the first equation, we substitute into the second equation. So it's become uh, x minus y equals to 4, like this formula. So then we got 8 minus 2 times y equals 4, and then we got minus 2 times y equals minus 4. Oh yeah, negative 4, and then we get the value of y is equals to 2. So um, we plug the value of y is 2 and back into our isolation formula, and then we got the value of x is x equals to x minus 2, and the value of x is equals to 6, and therefore the value of x 6 and also the value of y is 2.
Both the methods give the solution.
Yes, it's correct, Wahyu. So different methods and also same answer. So next we got graphical interpretation, or why systems are vital. So a system of linear equation can also be represented by graph. It's equation from a straight line, and the solution is the point where the two lines is intersect.
Where is the intersection point? Why is the intersection point the solution?
Because that point lies on both lines simultaneously, and, and therefore it satisfies both equations. Okay, next we got real life application and why our systems are vital. So linear equation systems are very useful in everyday life. For example, they can help us to determine price of products, age of people, number of objects, and business costs and profits. So let's look at a real life problem at store. So uh, So imagine that we visit our bookstore, and they sell about two books plus one pencil cost 11,000 rupiah, and then one book plus two pencil cost 10,000 rupiah. So how much does one book and one pencil cost individually? So so the x, that x, it's become to the price of one book, and y is the price of one pencil. So the equation are 2 times x plus y is equals to 11,000, and x plus 2 times y is equal to 10,000. So by multiplying the second equation by 2, we get 2 times x plus 4 times y is equal to 20,000. And subtract the first equation, so we get 3 times y equals to 9,000, and the value of y is 3,000. So, and then we substitute into the first equation, this equation, which is x plus 2 times y equals to 10,000, and then we got x plus 2 times 3,000 equals to 10,000, and the value of x is equal to 4,000. So therefore one book costs 4,000 rupiah, and one pencil costs 3,000 rupiah.
That's exactly like a real shopping situation.
Yes, this is one of the most common application of linear equation system. Okay, next we have a quick practice. So let's practice with this equation, which is x plus y equals 12 and x minus y equals to 4. Wahyu, can you help us to solve this question?
Wait a moment, miss. I will try.
Okay, I will give you time to think about it.
Okay, at both equation, 2x equals 16. X equals 8. Substitute x plus y equals 12. Y equals 4. Therefore, x equals 8 and y equals 4.
Okay, excellent answer, Wahyu. So I thought that you have been understand what have we learned today. And before we finish, let's review what we have learned today. So Wahyu, please summarize what have you learned today and tell us what is it. I will give you time to think about it first.
Today we learn that linear equation systems can be solved using different methods and can be applied to many real life problems.
Exactly. Good summarize, Wahyu. So we learned that a linear equation system consists of two or more linear equations solved together. And also, we learned how to read mathematical equation in English, how to solve a system using elimination and substitution method, and then we discussed graphical interpretation and explore real-life applications such as determining price and solving everyday problems. And lastly, linear equation systems are important because they help us find unknown value and model real-world situation efficiently. And so that's all. Thank you for your attention, Wahyu, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, Wahyu.